Hi, my name is Grace, and today I'll be teaching you how to make a ninja star or shuriken using paper. To do this, you need 2 sheets of paper, blank, and a pair of scissors. But if you have square origami paper, that's okay, you don't need the scissors. The scissors are only used to make these rectangle sheets of paper squares. Now, to make your rectangle pieces square, and remember, you can just skip ahead if you have origami paper already. Okay, first get this corner of your paper and fold it sort of down like. And so these 2 edges here are completely aligned. And remember, it needs to be aligned very good in order to make it a square. So if you do it like I did, it kind of looks like the state of Nevada when you turn it upside down. Now, right now, you see this bottom part where you didn't fold? That's just by itself. Cut that paper off because that's excess. We don't need it. Now just do the same with your other piece of paper. Okay, now you have 2 pieces of paper that look sort of like a ramp. Now, just pick them up and lay them back to back, just like this. So it kind of looks like it makes one great triangle, but kind of cut them apart too. Now, when you open each sheet of paper and unfold it, you'll see that they are now square, and that is exactly what we want in order to do this exercise. Now, get one piece of paper and fold it down. Oh, and remember, you've got to keep these 2 pieces of paper just like they were. So you've got to keep them back to back, just like this. So even when you open up, make sure each paper is on the side it was originally on, or else this is not going to work out. So, get one piece of paper and fold it down, just like this. So grab one side and fold it down to the other side, just like this. And then, again, get this folded side already and fold it down to the place we just folded, just like this. And so now, your piece of paper looks like this. Remember, you first got it up, then you folded it down, and then you folded it down again. So it looks like this. And remember to keep this on its own side. Now do the same thing with your other piece of paper. So now you've got 2 pieces of paper that look like this. And remember to keep them both on the side they were originally on. Now, what you need to do next is if you did very good creases, which sometimes can't be helped if you're a beginner, you'll see two sort of folds over here where you previously folded. Now I'm going to outline them in pen so you can see it better. So, as you can see, there is a line right here that slants down. Now, you're going to get this piece of paper, since it's on the other side here, and fold it up right on that line, just like that. So now it looks like this. And now you're going to do the same with the other one, except, as you can see, this line over here isn't exactly the same. It slants down upwards. So you're going to get this and fold it down on this line, downwards instead of upwards. So now you've got two pieces of paper. One that looks like this, and another that looks like this. And that's how they should be. And remember, keep them on their right sides. Now, what you need to do, and so you notice how this piece of paper is folded down here, and this line sort of separates it from this side. Now, since this piece of paper is going up, we need to make this piece of paper go down. And in order to do that, simply fold it down on this line over here, just like that. And make good creases. So now it looks like this. And do the same with the other one, except since it slants down, you have to fold it up on this line. So it looks like this. And now, as you can see, these two pieces of paper are mirror images of each other. They look exactly the same, yet are folded the exact opposite ways. And that's how they should be. Make sure you have very good pieces, unlike me. Now, again, if you make good creases, you'll see a line over here, but I'm going to outline it in pen so you can see it better. Over at the top of the paper here, I outlined this in pen again, so you might not be able to see it. Just improvise, because it's going to go exactly down here like a square. So you see this line, you're going to get this corner and fold it down on top of it, just like that. So now it's sort of a triangle-like shape. And now, the same thing with the bottom part. But you're going to have to sort of improvise on this one, because there are no creases or anything to show it. Now, you just simply have to fold it upwards. So imagine a line, which I'll draw. Imagine a line like this. And now fold up on that line. So now it looks like this. And set that aside and do the exact same thing with the other one, except you'll see that good crease on the bottom instead of the top, since it was the first one you did. So fold it this way up, and this way. Fold it down this way. Just like that. So now you have your two pieces of paper, which are still, again, mirror images of each other. But now we're going to give these names. This is the S piece because if you look closely, it resembles the shape of an S. And then we'll call this piece the Z piece because it resembles the shape of a Z. And remember, don't get them mixed up. The Z piece and the S piece. And you can just write their names on pen if you want, just to remind yourself who is which. Now, you're going to get them over, just turn them around like this, and fold, and you see how it kind of separates here from this one fold that went up here. You see here, and now you're going to fold down on that line, just like that. And same with the bottom. You see this that separates here, you're going to fold down on that. So now it looks like this. And now do the same with your next piece of paper. Fold it down. Look over here. You see this line here? You fold down on it. Just like that. And at the bottom, you see this line right here. And you fold down on it. And it looks like this. And now you remember who they are still. And remember, again, keep them on their sides. Now, when you let go of them, they kind of open up. But that's sort of what we want. So just open them up a little. So you can again see the Z and the S on it. And now, this next part's going to be the trickiest. So I'm just going to try to explain it in the most possibly best way possible. So, just get your S piece and lay it horizontally on top of your Z piece. And now, if you look closely, on your S piece, there's a little pocket here that opens up. Now, you're going to get this triangle shape here and put it in this pocket. And then, over here too, this opens up. And so now, you're going to get this and stuff it in this pocket. So now, you kind of see how it's going to work. Now, flip it over on the other side. And now, you see how it's turning out. You get this part, and you'll see this pocket over here. Put this in this pocket, just like that. And again, you'll see a pocket over here. And sometimes you need some scissors to kind of open it up a little. But you'll see this pocket over here, and you get this piece and put it in there. And so, my ninja star was kind of messed up because I had to be quicker. But now, your ninja star sort of looks like this. And this is the best possible way because both sides have the exact same X in the middle. Now, to throw your ninja star, or shuriken, just hold it horizontally like this, and then throw it. Like that. And that is how you make a ninja star shuriken out of paper. If you like this video, please subscribe and or comment. Thank you.